Did you say speed test?
Yeah.
Okay. It says Google speed test.
What Google? No. Can you see other option? Can you read it back to me?
It says Google speed test.
No. Any other results? Just check all of that.
So what was I supposed to type in?
Speed test. Now what do you see?
It says internet speed test.
Tap on it.
Tap on it. It's not.
Now what do you see?
It's not doing anything. I'm tapping on it. It's not doing anything.
It will be come up with a speedometer. It should be come up. Just check it.
Nope. I'm tapping on it and nothing's happening.
It means you are not doing anything, right? Or you don't want to do that, right?
It says internet speed test, and then below it, it says check your internet speed in under 30 seconds.
Tap on it. Tap on it. Blue color. Tap on it. Blue color.
There's a thing that says to run the test, you'll be connected to Measurement Lab.
Tap on it. Run speed test. Tap on it.
Oh, okay. Okay, it's doing something. It says 60. It's gone up to 90 now.
Once it is come up, just let me know.
It says my download speed is 95 megabytes. What does that mean?
And your upload?
It says my upload is 75.
I can see that your download and upload speed very less, but your plan is supposed to get an internet speed above 300 Mbps, right? But you are not getting that much speed, sir, due to some technical error and glitch on your router, right? That's why we are giving you this call to help you with this, okay?
Right.
So first of all, on your phone, sir, we are just going to run a security scan on your router. Can you confirm that you are using an iPhone or it's an Android phone?
I think it's an iPhone.
Go to your app store.
Right.
Now look for the right hand bottom corner. You can see search. Tap on search.
Yep.
Now just type on the search panel customer.
Customer.
Yeah. Then app. APP app.
Customer app.
Yeah.
It says customer app Zoho.
Yes, sir. The green color technical support app. Give a tap on it, and it's a free of cost app. Click on get. Okay.
Okay.
And once it being installed, let me know. Is it installing or?
It is. Yeah.
Here?
Where are you from?
We are from Virgin Media, sir.
Now, whereabouts in the country are you?
We are from Reading.
You're from Reading, are you? Okay, let me tell you something then.
Yeah.
I am actually a Virgin Media senior lead technician, and I can tell you you're not calling me from Virgin Media. The fact that you've given me someone else, ha 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 ha,